Hello guys, welcome back again. Into this tutorial I would like to show to you how the way to make this animation on your Canva. As you can see, there's a background moving of an ink and it hit the text. And make a new project, open a new page, and then after that you need to insert a text onto your page. For example, I will insert hello text like this, and then for the font you need to change it onto a bold font like this. And after that, now you need to increase the size of the font like this, and after that duplicate it, and then now on the duplicated text click effect, and you need to use this hollow effect, and then decrease the thickness of the outline like this, and positioning the hollow text on front of the first text like that by clicking layers, and then move it to the top of this the first text, and after that we can change the color of the text. For example, for hollow text I will change it onto this color like this, for the first text. And for the hollow text I will change the outline color onto, wait for a moment, I will change the outline color onto, I think I'm going to change it onto this, where is it, this white color like this. And after that, now insert an image to make it as a background. Then for example I will type sandstorm like this, and then search it, and I will use this image, and then click this three dot and set image as a background like this. And as you can see, it's already changing. And if the text has a same color onto your background like this, you can change it, you can change the color and make sure it's not as same as the background color. Okay, for example, I will change it onto, I think I will change it onto this one. Okay, and now you need to add a video. If you want to make a same motion as the previous video that you saw before, you can type ink on element and then search it and click the videos. Then after that I will try use this video, and after that now click the video, then click the Magic Studio, and then remove the background of the video like this. And after that adjust the size and make sure it has a same size as the background like this. And now swipe left the toolbar, click layers, positioning the video on top of the first text like this, so it's on a between the first text and the duplicated text like that. And as you can see now, this is the result that you got. And that's the way how to make this animation onto your Canva. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.